Hi, welcome to Simple Beauty Secrets. We invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button below. Today I'll share some hair care tips and hacks to get rid of all your hair problems and hair-related issues. Hack number 1, how to remove dandruff. Start with 2 tablespoons of yogurt in a clean bowl. Then add the juice of half a lemon. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix it well. Apply the mixture to your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Finally, wash your hair using a mild shampoo. Use this remedy 3 times a week to permanently get rid of dandruff and flakiness. Hack number 2, regrowing hair on bald patches. Begin by peeling a medium-sized onion. Dice the onion into small cubes so they will blend easily in a mixer. Blend the onion cubes and use a strainer to extract the juice. Onion juice helps regrow hair and it also prevents hair loss. Next, add 1 capsule of vitamin E and stir. Apply the prepared juice on bald patches and massage it into your scalp well using your fingertips. After an hour, wash your hair using a mild shampoo. Use this remedy 2 times a week to grow thicker, longer hair. This remedy will not keep, so you will want to prepare a fresh batch for each use. Hack number 3, don't wrap wet hair in a towel. When your hair's wet, hair shafts are like loosened springs that stretch and break more easily, so it's best to let them dry naturally or use a wide tooth comb to dry if you're in a hurry. This helps prevent hair breakage and thinning. Hack number 4, use a wide tooth comb. A wide tooth comb detangles more gently. This prevents hair breakage and reduces the split ends and scalp irritation that can lead to hair loss. For many people, too much hair collects in the comb after detangling because of the friction and effort necessary to separate tangles when using a normal comb. A wide tooth comb helps detangle the hair more effectively without causing a lot of hair loss. Hack number 5, homemade oil to prevent hair thinning and hair loss. Using a double boiler method, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil in a bowl and start heating the oil. When it has become warm, add a few cloves of garlic, or you can use garlic paste. Continue to heat the oil for another 10 minutes. Turn the flame off and strain the oil to remove the garlic bits. Now apply the warm oil to your scalp and give yourself a nice thorough massage using your fingertips. This process stimulates hair growth and improves your hair texture while making it strong and healthy. Leave the oil on for an hour and after that wash using a mild shampoo. This oil is extremely effective to stop hair loss and breakage if you use this remedy once a week for at least 3 weeks. You can store this oil at room temperature for up to a month. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Simple Beauty Secrets. Hack number 6, inversion method for hair growth. This technique is so simple, yet highly effective. Just flip your head upside down for 4 minutes and massage your scalp. Do this for 3 to 4 days and you will notice results. This technique helps to increase the blood flow to the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. Hack number 7, homemade aloe vera oil to grow extremely long and thicker hair. Using a double boiler method, put about a cup of aloe vera cubes in a bowl, then add half a cup of coconut oil. Heat the mixture for 20 minutes, but remember to use the double boiler method only. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and strain the oil to remove the aloe vera bits. Apply the oil to your scalp using the inversion method described a moment ago. Using the oil in this way gives the results more quickly, and you may notice new hair growth after just the 2nd or 3rd use. Leave the oil on your scalp for an hour or more, then use a mild shampoo to wash your hair. Use this remedy 3 times a week. It will help you grow extremely healthy, long hair. Hack number 8, how to get rid of head lice. Again, using a double boiler method, pour half a cup of almond oil in a bowl. Add pure neem leaves or neem leaf paste. If you can't find neem leaf in your area, you can order it online. Heat the oil for 15 minutes, then turn the heat off and strain the oil. Now your oil is ready to use. Simply apply the oil directly to your scalp using your fingertips and leave it on for 30 minutes. Finally, wash your hair with your normal shampoo. 1 use will get rid of head lice, so no need to repeat this treatment. Please like this video and subscribe to Simple Beauty Secrets. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.